That's all you need for a snowman. Except two more snowflakes, 3 flakes, 4, 5, 6, 7,000, 8 million more. Billions of snowflakes piled in a mound. Pat them and pack them and roll them around into one big ball. And that's all. One big, cold, well-rolled snowflake ball. That's all you need for a snowman. Except for a middle-sized ball and a small one. On top of that, you need a hat, a short flat hat or a tall one. Three hand-packed, triple-stacked balls of snow. Hat on top where a hat should go. That's all you need for a snowman. Except for a couple of bottle caps, round and flat. Stick them under a snowman's hat. Surprise! Snowman's eyes. That's all you need for a snowman's face. But what's in the middle? An empty space. That's the place where the carrot goes. If a carrot is a snowman's nose. But what about clothes? Walnut buttons, 5 in a row. Belt in the middle, boots below. Big wool scarf, room to hold. Mittens in case his hands get cold. Earmuffs, fanny pack, something to read. That's absolutely all you need for a snowman. Uh-oh. Look in the sky again. One small snowflake falling. Then soft white snowflakes filling the sky, floating down everywhere, piling up high. And that's all you need for a snowman's friend. The